everybody, Yvonne Vasquez here. Happy Saturday. I wanted to come on here and try a little new look with you guys. I posted some fun new trends that people are playing with during these times. I know makeup makes me feel a little bit alive. So I'm gonna try on to do, like, instead of just a black smoky eye, red smoky eye. So I put on already my foundation, my primer. I tried to cover up these eyebrows with some concealer, and the kids went out for some ice cream, so I'm taking advantage, and I'm just gonna do a quick little tutorial here with you. So first I'm gonna start off, let me see, what do I want to start off with? I am going to use the sharp color in our addiction palette number 7. These palettes are retiring, so if you're looking for one, you need to get on there ASAP. They might even be sold out already, because all of our products are flying out like hotcakes. But the great things about these palettes is that they'll return every year as like an anniversary bonus situation. So you'll get a new one coming up soon, and then, like, so every year we'll get a new fancy palette. So I'm going to get a brush, because that's what you use when you put on makeup on your eyelids, and I'm going to try this red. It's pretty bright. So I actually use this palette for my daughter when she's like holiday stuff, because it's it's awesome for Pride too, coming up soon. But so I'm just gonna dab it on there, just all over. It's red. If you're tuning in, say hi. Tell me where you're from, what you're doing this weekend. I know there's a lot of graduations that we're celebrating. My son is graduating kindergarten very soon, so we're excited. My mom keeps calling, like, you should do this and order this and order this. And my husband's like, oh, I know a guy with a blimp. Maybe we could just fly around 5 times. Congratulations, Ruben, but we're just doing something low-key. I'll probably bake some cupcakes. Here, so I'm gonna do the other eye now. I should have tried this out on one eye first, and then I'm gonna use you as my guide here, because I know I don't think you're supposed to pull your lid like this, but I do sometimes. Just get it on there. Bam, red. Red for the eyeballs. Doesn't look too cray-cray. It looks good. And remember, the key to everything is just blending it in later. So no worries. I like it. I never do like bright, crazy stuff. Rarely do I do. I like to stick to my nudes and the neutrals and the natural makeup, no makeup look. But every now and then it's fun, right? And what a better time now to play with this. So I'm just gonna blend in a little bit here on the top. Awesome. Awesome sauce. So now I am going to grab, I'm actually going to use, guys, I love, so this is a liquid eyeliner. It's super cute, super fast, super easy, quick to apply. Once you open it, it actually has a little applicator on there already. So I'm going to put a little bit of this, and this color is Egotistical. It's a nice little berry shimmer. And I'm just gonna put that in the middle there. actually almost a very similar color to the red. Maybe I'm gonna add something else. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna blend in a second. I like to use a cream. You can just pat with your fingers too, but I like to use, hold on, I got something on my hands here. I like to use a cream shadow brush to just kind of pat on it because it is liquid and wet, and I just need to give it a second to dry. So I just like to pat it on there. Pat, 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 pat. I think I might add a, let me find that other color. Exalted. So this is the color Exalted. I'm just going to test this out on my arm because that's like pinky. Do I want to add some pink there? Sure, why not, right? Let's add a little bit of pink right here in the center. Just brighten it up a bit. Just tap it on there. Tap, tap, tap. In the middle. Well, again, just tapping. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Tapping it there. Alrighty. Okay, so I put a little shimmer there in the middle. So it can shimmer and shine a bit. Then I'm going to go in the crease with so these colors are very pretty and are good for all of these red eyes. And so in our beauty box that, hello, is an amazing deal, you get 3 of these eyeshadows. So that box is actually, you get actually 17 full-size products in the box, and you only pay for like 2 of them. So basically you're paying for 2 and you get 15 products free. It's amazeballs. So I'm gonna grab here. So guys, if you're interested in that, comment down beauty box below and I'll give you more details. If you're interested in any of these eye products that I'm using, comment eyes or put the little eyeball emoji down below and I will give you some info on that. So now I'm going to take Fervent. I love Fervent all alone by itself. All by itself. I'm going to use I'm gonna just use this brush to just add some color around the edge. So I'll do like a little V situation here just to get a little dark in the corner. Do the same thing just to apply the color on the other side. Oh, and I forgot to mention, so sometimes I use eye primer, sometimes I use concealer as a primer just to keep the colors in there. Yes. So I'm just putting some color there on the side. My kids, my daughter specifically, is gonna come back. She's like, "Mom, you did your makeup without me. Where you going?" She does that all up in my business. So I'm just gonna use a little crease brush here. Let me add a little bit more color along the crease. Right? So have fun. Get playful. Add a little bit of here, a little bit of there. And I'm gonna go back with my blending fluffy brush over here and just blend it all in. Smoky red eye. I always like to add a little bit of a lighter shimmer in the corner of the eye, I'm going to use Relaxed, which is this pretty pink mauve shimmer and shine. Shimmer and shine. I just finished watching Shakira with my the concert, like her, I don't know which channel it was. We were watching a Shakira concert, and this was my son was watching, and oh, Seven Nicole loves it too. It's a fun one, very fun. Hi Aaron, hi Nicole. So he was watching Shakira, and she was doing her little belly dancing, shimmer shimmer, and he was like, like I kid you not, he was so. I guess that's the moment when you realize that your son likes girls, because he was like all in awe of her. She's a really great performer. So I've been like shimmying all day and belly dancing. What am I good? So look, so I put a little bit of shimmer there in the middle. I like it. I think it brings out eyes. And I may have messed up a little bit there. Okay, so I put a little bit too much shimmer in this one eye. I never get them right. So I'm just gonna go back. What color did I use? The red. I'm just gonna go back with a little bit of this here. Top a little bit there. Just wait for that to dry, because I put it on my eye. And tap, tap, tap. Okay, fine. Blending brush. This is my fluffy brush. That's it. Blend it in. And then, what do I want to do next? Eyeliner? Do I have eyeliner here? Guys, I can't. I gotta put my glasses back on to see what's happening in my life. Oh, I wanted to put on a white eyeliner. I don't have a white eyeliner here. So let's just move on to mascara. So guys, I did my red smoky eye here. Top it up with my mascara. So I'm going to use the lash primer, because the lash primer, first of all, it conditions your natural eyelashes, has vitamin E, all the great stuff that you need in your life for your lashes. But when you put it on under mascara, like it gives mascara all the power in the world. Whatever mascara you use, I don't even care. But once you put like lash primer on, I never knew that I needed it in my life until I used it. So it's kind of like, so here it is. I'm conditioning my eyes, my eyelashes, and I just put it on like regular mascara here. I put a little bit on the bottom too. So you see, it's kind of like a white gel on there. And then I'm going to go, we have so many mascaras. We have our waterproof one, which is my fave. Then we have a black and a brown, and then of course the Epic 4D here. So I'm gonna use some of that 4D, because why not, right? I just put a bunch of red on my eyeballs. Oh, I forgot to clean up the sides there. I'll do that in a second. And I just wiggle and pull, just like that. Oh. So the thing is, it contains a lot of product, right? So a little bit will go a long way. So make sure that you just kind of, guys, the comments are in my face. Hello, 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 hello. I don't know how to take the comments out of my face, but it's okay. So I hope you can see me, but I just wiggle and pull, wiggle and pull. And then on the bottom, I just put it on just like regular. See, I had too much product there. I have to scrape, 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 scrape. But look at the difference. So 4D mascara is really good for night out, or you know, when the hubby comes home and you want to kind of bat your eyelashes. But guys, I don't know if you can see what I see. Do you see what I see? But so I don't know how do they do it. Do like this? Like this is my eye. I don't know if you see what I see, but I think it's such a difference. Like So let me do the other side here. But look, lashes, no lashes, lashes, no lashes. This is my favorite mascara. Well, and the waterproof. But literally, I wish I would have, on my wedding, this would have been around in my life, because my sister also does makeup as well, and she did my eyelashes, but she just, you know, we just put on falsies. And definitely by the end of the night, I had one eyelash and somebody came up to me and said, "Oh, Eve, is that your eyelash is hanging off?" So that is not, that will never be the case with this mascara, because that's what it is. It's mascara with the look of eyelashes, with the look of falsies. So wiggle, and guys, I always messed up my eyes, but it's okay, because there is no makeup police, and you can never mess up in art. I'll just fix it. Okay, and now I'll just take my fluffy brush to fix whatever little mascara I got down there on the bottom, because my hands are not steady. And then I'm gonna grab my blending brush. I'll put a little BB cream. BB cream I like to put now on in quarantine, because it's like a tinted moisturizer. It gives you that nice dewy look, a nice smooth finish without all the tons of coverage. So I'm just gonna, I put a lot actually. Eve, a little bit goes a long way. Remember, a little bit goes a long way. Blend, 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 because blending is your friend. Bam, guys, how does it look? I can't see with the comments. But that's it, ta-da! My red smoky eye. If you like it, subscribe. My kids watch way too much YouTube. If you like it, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and hearts. And I will see you guys next Saturday. Thank you so much for joining on my smoky red eye tutorial. And I hope you like it. Post in the comments if you guys are trying, not this comment, to my other post, if you guys try any new looks and try this look yourself, or any of the trends that I posted yesterday, show me. I would love to see what you guys are doing with and playing with at home. All right, bye guys.